Hi! Welcome to ABSS Academy. ABSS has updated the Premier and accounting systems to support the upcoming changes in Singapore's GST compliance for 2024. This update includes the following feature. An increase of the GST rate from 8% to 9% effective from January 1, 2024. Pop-up warning for outdated tax rates in 2024. And Invoice Now e-bill tax type mapping screen update. To update the tax code, simply go to List and select Tax Code. Click New and fill in all the information. Select the tax type as Goods and Services Tax. Input the rate as 9%. Select the IRIS GST code as SR for sales and TX for purchases. Ensure to link the tax collected and tax paid account. Changes have been made to the Invoice Now e-bill tax type mapping screen to align with the GST rate changes in 2024. This update ensures the accuracy of GST rates for invoices received from the Invoice Now network. To update the tax type mapping, go to File and select e-bill tax type mapping. With the updated 9% GST rate, users can still use the old rates of 7% and 8% when creating backdated invoices and opening balances. The system will display a pop-up message to ensure accuracy when using these rates. The system will prompt a pop-up message to inform user that the tax rate is an outdated tax rate. If the user would like to proceed recording the transaction using the outdated tax rate, user can click Yes. Thank you for tuning into ABSS Academy.